Basic face makeup is the foundation of every beautiful makeup look, especially when your goal is to create advanced eye makeup. For beginners, understanding and mastering face makeup is essential because a smooth, even, and well-prepared base allows eye makeup to stand out without looking heavy or unbalanced. No matter how perfect your eyeshadow blending or eyeliner technique is, it will never look truly professional if the skin underneath appears patchy, dull, or uneven. This section focuses on building that flawless canvas using simple, beginner-friendly techniques that enhance natural beauty rather than hiding it. The journey to perfect face makeup always begins with proper skin preparation. Clean skin ensures that makeup applies smoothly and lasts longer throughout the day. Start by gently cleansing your face to remove dirt, excess oil, and any leftover skincare products. Cleansing not only refreshes the skin but also prevents clogged pores and breakouts that can interfere with makeup application. After cleansing, applying a toner helps balance the skin and prepare it to absorb moisture more effectively. Moisturizing is a step that should never be skipped, even if you have oily skin. Hydrated skin allows foundation to glide effortlessly and prevents it from cracking or settling into fine lines. For daytime makeup, sunscreen is equally important, as it protects the skin from sun damage while creating an even surface for makeup. Once the skin is properly prepped, primer becomes the next essential step. Primer acts as a bridge between skincare and makeup, helping products adhere better and last longer. For beginners, choosing the right primer can make a noticeable difference. Hydrating primers are ideal for dry skin, while mattifying primers work well for oily skin. Applying a small amount of primer and gently pressing it into the skin helps minimize pores, smooth texture, and create a soft focus effect that enhances the overall look. Foundation is the heart of basic face makeup. Selecting the correct shade is one of the most important skills beginners must learn. A foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly will blend seamlessly and appear natural under any lighting. Testing foundation on the jawline rather than the hand ensures a closer match to the face. When applying foundation, less is always more. Start with a small amount and build coverage gradually. Using a damp beauty sponge or a soft brush helps achieve a smooth, even finish without streaks. The goal is not to mask the skin completely but to even out the complexion while allowing natural skin texture to show through. Concealer plays a supportive yet powerful role in face makeup. It helps brighten the under eye area, cover blemishes, and create a fresh, awake appearance. For beginners, a creamy, lightweight concealer is easiest to blend. Applying concealer in small dots and blending gently prevents creasing and heaviness. When used correctly, concealer enhances the foundation rather than overpowering it. Lightly setting the concealed areas with powder ensures that everything stays in place throughout the day. Setting the base is an important step that beginners often overlook. Powder helps lock in foundation and concealer, preventing shine and extending wear time. A light dusting of loose or compact powder is enough to set the makeup without making the skin look dry or cakey. Pressing powder gently into areas that tend to get oily, such as the forehead and nose, helps maintain a balanced finish. Finishing the base with a setting spray adds a natural glow and melts all the layers together for a seamless appearance. To bring dimension and life to the face, soft contouring, blush, and highlighter are introduced in a subtle way. For beginners, contouring should be light and natural, focusing on enhancing facial structure rather than dramatically reshaping it. Applying contour under the cheekbones and blending thoroughly creates gentle definition. Blush adds warmth and freshness, instantly making the face look healthy and vibrant. Choosing soft, natural shades ensures that the makeup remains beginner-friendly. Highlighter, when applied lightly to the high points of the face, adds a radiant glow that complements advanced eye makeup beautifully. A well-finished base also includes attention to the lips and brows, even at a basic level. Groomed brows frame the face and provide balance, while hydrated lips prepare the way for a polished final look. Using a simple lip balm or a nude gloss keeps the focus on the eyes while maintaining a clean, elegant appearance. When all these steps come together, the result is skin that looks smooth, glowing, and naturally flawless. Basic face makeup is not about perfection but about understanding balance and technique. Beginners often make the mistake of applying too much product, thinking it will improve coverage. In reality, light layers and proper blending create the most professional results. A well-prepared face not only enhances advanced eye makeup but also boosts confidence. When you know your base is smooth and even, you can experiment freely with eye looks without fear of the makeup appearing messy or overwhelming. By mastering basic face makeup, beginners create a strong foundation that supports every advanced technique that follows. This step-by-step approach ensures that the final makeup look appears elegant, fresh, and harmonious. A flawless base allows the eyes to take center stage, making advanced eye makeup look more refined, balanced, and truly beautiful. Advanced eye makeup may sound intimidating to beginners, but with the right approach and techniques, it becomes an exciting and creative process rather than a difficult one. Eye makeup has the power to completely transform the face, express personality, and elevate even the simplest base makeup. Once the skin is prepared and the face makeup is balanced, the eyes naturally become the focal point. This section focuses on teaching advanced eye makeup in a beginner-friendly way, emphasizing patience, blending, and understanding rather than complexity. Before applying any eyeshadow or eyeliner, preparing the eyelids is essential. The eyelid area often has natural oils and fine lines that can cause eyeshadow to crease or fade. Using a small amount of eye primer creates a smooth, even surface and intensifies the color of the eyeshadow. If eye primer is not available, a light layer of concealer set with powder works as an effective alternative. Proper eye preparation ensures that all advanced techniques look clean, vibrant, and long-lasting. Understanding eye shape is one of the most important aspects of advanced eye makeup. Every eye shape responds differently to placement and blending. Some eyes appear naturally lifted, while others are round, hooded, or deep-set. Beginners often struggle because they try to follow one technique without adjusting it to their eye shape. Learning where the crease naturally sits and how much lid space is available helps in placing eyeshadow correctly. This awareness alone can dramatically improve eye makeup results. Eyeshadow application is where creativity truly begins. Advanced eye makeup does not require dozens of colors. Instead, it relies on thoughtful color selection and smooth blending. Starting with a soft neutral shade as a transition color helps define the crease and creates a base for deeper shades. This step makes blending easier and prevents harsh lines. Building depth gradually with slightly darker shades in the outer corner adds dimension and structure to the eyes. The key is to use small amounts of product and blend patiently, allowing the colors to melt into one another. Blending is the heart of advanced eye makeup. Beginners often rush this step, but proper blending is what separates a professional look from a messy one. Using a clean, fluffy brush to soften edges ensures a seamless gradient effect. Circular and windshield wiper motions help distribute the product evenly without removing color. Advanced eye makeup looks dramatic yet soft when blending is done correctly. Introducing shimmer or metallic shades adds brightness and elegance to the eyes. Applying shimmer to the center of the lid or inner corner instantly makes the eyes appear larger and more awake. For beginners, pressing shimmer onto the lid with a flat brush or fingertip gives better color payoff and control. The shimmer should complement the matte shades rather than overpower them, maintaining balance and harmony in the overall look. One of the most admired advanced eye techniques is the soft cut crease. While traditional cut creases can be bold and sharp, a soft version is more suitable for beginners. This technique involves lightly defining the crease with concealer or a lighter shade to create separation between the lid and crease. When done subtly, it enhances eye shape and adds depth without looking too dramatic. Practicing this technique helps beginners gain confidence and control over precision. Eyeliner plays a major role in advanced eye makeup. Whether using pencil, gel, or liquid eyeliner, the goal is to enhance the lash line and define the eyes. Beginners often fear eyeliner because of uneven lines, but starting with small strokes makes the process easier. A thin line close to the lashes creates a natural look, while a slightly extended wing adds elegance and lift. Eyeliner should complement the eyeshadow rather than dominate it. Mascara and lashes complete the eye look by adding intensity and drama. Curling the lashes before applying mascara opens up the eyes instantly. Applying mascara from the roots to the tips in gentle zigzag motions prevents clumping and creates volume. For those ready to explore false lashes, lightweight, natural style lashes are ideal for beginners. Proper placement and blending false lashes with natural lashes create a seamless finish that enhances the eyes beautifully. Eyebrows are often overlooked in eye makeup, but they frame the eyes and complete the look. Filling in sparse areas with light, hair-like strokes creates natural definition. Overfilled brows can distract from eye makeup, so subtle shaping works best for beginners. Setting the brows with a clear or tinted gel keeps them in place and adds a polished touch. Advanced eye makeup is not about perfection but about practice and understanding. Mistakes such as fallout or uneven blending are part of the learning process. Keeping makeup remover or micellar water nearby helps fix small errors without starting over. Each attempt builds confidence and skill, making advanced techniques feel more natural over time. By approaching advanced eye makeup with patience and creativity, beginners can achieve stunning results. When combined with a well-prepared face, advanced eye makeup becomes the highlight of the entire look. It enhances natural beauty, expresses individuality, and transforms makeup into an empowering form of self-expression. The final stage of makeup is where everything comes together, transforming individual steps into a complete, polished look. After mastering basic face makeup and applying advanced eye makeup, the finishing touches define the overall style, longevity, and impact of the makeup. This stage is not just about adding more products, but about balance, confidence, and understanding how makeup works in real life, on camera, and in different lighting conditions. For beginners, learning how to finish a look professionally is just as important as learning application techniques. Lips play a crucial role in completing the makeup look. When the eyes are bold or detailed, keeping the lips soft and neutral creates harmony. Nude glossy lips are a perfect choice because they add freshness without overpowering the eye makeup. Before applying any lip product, preparing the lips is essential. Gently exfoliating removes dryness, while a nourishing lip balm hydrates and smooths the surface. Lip liner can be used subtly to define the natural lip shape, preventing gloss or lipstick from feathering. A light layer of nude gloss or lipstick brings the entire look together, adding elegance and softness. Once the makeup is complete, setting it properly ensures longevity and comfort. Setting spray is a powerful tool that many beginners underestimate. A few light sprays help melt all the makeup layers into the skin, reducing the appearance of powder and creating a natural finish. It also improves wear time, making the makeup last through long days, events, or filming sessions. Choosing a setting spray that suits your skin type, whether hydrating or mattifying, enhances both comfort and appearance. Understanding lighting is a key professional skill that separates everyday makeup from camera-ready makeup. Makeup can appear different under natural daylight, indoor lighting, or studio lights. Soft glam makeup is especially versatile because it adapts well to various lighting conditions. Checking makeup near a window helps identify any harsh lines or uneven blending. For those creating content for YouTube or social media, slightly enhanced definition ensures the makeup looks visible on camera without appearing heavy in person. Adjusting intensity based on lighting builds confidence and prevents over-application. Presentation and posture also influence how makeup is perceived. Confidence changes the way makeup looks on the face. Standing tall, relaxing facial muscles, and embracing natural expressions allow makeup to enhance rather than mask beauty. Beginners often focus too much on flaws, but makeup is about celebrating features rather than hiding them. When confidence is present, even simple makeup looks refined and attractive. Makeup for different occasions requires flexibility and understanding. The same soft glam base can be adapted for daytime, evening, or special events with small adjustments. For daytime, lighter eye definition and softer lips create a fresh, effortless look. For evening, deeper eyeshadow tones, stronger eyeliner, or added lashes increase drama. Learning how to modify a look rather than completely change it saves time and builds versatility. This adaptability is especially useful for beginners who want to get the most out of their makeup products. Long-lasting makeup is a common concern, especially for beginners who struggle with fading or creasing. Touch-up techniques help maintain a fresh appearance throughout the day. Carrying blotting papers removes excess oil without disturbing makeup. A compact powder can refresh the T-zone, while a small brush helps reblend eyeshadow edges if needed. Lip gloss can be reapplied easily, restoring shine and hydration. These simple habits ensure the makeup remains polished without feeling heavy. Mistakes are a natural part of learning makeup, and understanding how to fix them builds confidence. Uneven eyeliner can be corrected with a cotton swab and a bit of concealer. Excess blush or contour can be softened with a clean brush or light powder. Eye makeup fallout can be cleaned without ruining the base by gently brushing it away. Knowing how to fix mistakes removes fear and encourages experimentation. Makeup is also deeply connected to self-expression and emotional well-being. For many beginners, makeup becomes a form of creativity and self-care. Taking time to practice makeup can be relaxing and empowering, allowing individuals to connect with their personal style. There is no single definition of beauty, and makeup should never feel like a rulebook. Learning techniques provides guidance, but personal preference shapes the final result. For those aspiring to create beauty content or grow a channel, consistency and authenticity matter more than perfection. Viewers connect with real experiences, including learning curves and growth. Showing progress, sharing tips, and being honest about challenges builds trust and relatability. Soft glam makeup, with its elegant and approachable style, is ideal for beginners and content creators alike. As the makeup journey continues, practice becomes the most valuable tool. Each application improves blending, placement, and confidence. Over time, advanced techniques become easier, and personal style becomes clearer. Completing a makeup look is not just about appearance but about how it makes you feel. When makeup enhances confidence and creativity, it becomes a powerful form of self-expression. By combining well-prepared skin, advanced eye makeup, and thoughtful finishing touches, beginners can achieve a complete, professional look. This final stage celebrates balance, individuality, and confidence, proving that beauty is not about perfection, but about embracing and enhancing what makes each person unique.